Hey guys, Ray from Love You RV and Boat. So we returned to Prideaux Haven for a return visit recently. So I thought I'd share some of the footage from that second visit here. Now it's located in the beautiful Desolation Sound Marine Park, right down in here. So I'll give you some views from around there. We stayed, I think, about 3 nights there. It was a little different each night. And then there's also some footage when we hightail it back to Lund. A big weather system was coming in. So we came out of there and sailed along here, down through the Copeland Islands here to the little Lund Marina and got a moorage on a dock to ride out a couple days of really windy, stormy weather. So let's get to it. Well, Prideaux Haven, Part 2. We came back for another stint in this gorgeous spot. September 20th. It's only around 4 boats, I think, in this anchorage right now. It's awesome. It's nice and calm and still. Temperatures around 20, 21 Celsius, right around 70. Feels warmer in here though with the sun because there's no wind at all. Got ourselves a nice little stern tie here. So we got another nice day tomorrow coming up. Then the weather's going to get a little mixed, and then I think by just after this weekend we're going to get a pretty good soaker. Supposed to get a couple days of steady rain, so I think we might weather it here. One of the most protected spots if you're going to anchor. Stay tuned. Well, it's been a great day today in Prideaux Haven. Very few boats, a couple left. One is just arriving. And then, other than us and this boat, there's nobody. Don't see that very often. Look at that. So, really enjoyed today's sunshine and warm weather. Did a little resealing on the fly bridge here. We have a cabin leak, so hopefully that'll solve that. Tomorrow it's going to cloud up and we're going to get some rain, so I'll be able to test it. And then probably the next day we're going to skedaddle out of here because there's one of those atmospheric rivers coming with some wind warnings, so we don't really want to be out at anchor for that, so we're going to go find a safe haven on a dock somewhere. Well, it's the next day and things are changing quite rapidly here. I think it's the first day of autumn. Summer's over. So we woke up today around 6 o'clock. I woke up and I could hear the wind howling. Went out back and our stern ties were pretty tight. So we've undid the stern tie and we're swinging free now in the wind. We're going to stay here today though, because to leave today we'd be out in the more exposed waters and it'd be really windy. There's a little window tomorrow that's going to be okay. It's going to be sunny for a while and the wind will die down until tomorrow night. Then there's supposed to be a huge atmospheric river storm coming with lots of gusty winds, so we're heading back to tie up on some docks. Well, looks like fall has definitely arrived, judging by the debris in the water. Well, it's a beautiful sunrise here. Skies are clearing and we have a bit of a weather window to get out of here before the next big system hits, so hate to leave it. Such a beautiful spot here in Desolation Sound at Prideaux Haven, but we really don't want to be here. It's going to be multiple days of heavy rain, which isn't too bad, but there's going to be some significant gusty winds, so don't want to be in here dragging anchor or anything. So we're going to head on over to Lund, hunker down there. Stay tuned. Wow, such a beautiful morning. We'd love to stay, but we know if we stay we could be stuck here with some nasty rain and big gusty winds. So we have to take this weather window and get out of Dodge. Just give you a look at us leaving the narrow gap that you go through to get in and out of this place. Like we're being chased by a big catamaran. How's it look, Captain?
It looks fantastic. It's going to be a perfect boating day.
Yeah.
For a few hours. Just enough time to get back. Captain Ann says we got to get back to the dock.
Back to the dock. This is deceiving. Well, looks pretty nice back there, but swing around and show you what's coming from the west. A strong Pacific frontal system on the way. I already see it over Vancouver Island. Winds are picking up. Well, we made it around the point. Now it's a straight shot down to Lund Harbor. Well, we've made it back to Lund Harbor, all safe and sound, where we're going to ride out the next 2 days of stormy weather. See, all the birds have shown up here too. Just parked ourselves out on one of the big breakwater concrete docks. Added some extra lines. Extra fenders on this side. We'll see how it goes. I think we should be okay. Till next time, Ray from Love You RV and Boat. Thanks for watching, everyone. Cheers, guys.